Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the close connection error in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, restart your game and launcher. The first step is to completely close everything and start fresh. Sometimes the computer just needs a quick break to make things work again. Close your game and then close the small window used to start the game. Wait a few seconds and then open the game launcher again, because it clears out any small glitches that happened while the game was running. You have to restart so the game can try to talk to the internet again from the beginning. Without this step, the old error might just stay stuck in the computer's memory. Next, you need to make sure your home internet is strong enough to keep the game open. Look at your internet box and make sure the lights are green. If you are using a cord to plug in, check that it is pushed in all the way, because the game closes when it loses its link to the internet. If your signal is weak or goes away for just a second, the game will think you left and close the connection. It ensures your play session stays connected to the server so you don't lose any of your hard work. Next, update your game version. Now you need to make sure you are using the same version of the game as the server you are trying to join. Inside your launcher, look at the bottom corner of your screen to see your version number. If there is a button that says Update, click it to get the newest files. This is the most important part because if the game files don't match, the connection will break. By using the newest version, you are making sure your game speaks the same language as the server. It is the key step to getting the right output and staying in the game for your adventure. And that's it. To fix the closed connection in the version of Minecraft, you must first restart your game to clear any small bugs. Then, you check your internet to make sure the signal is strong. Next, you update your game so it matches the server. And you can also try lower your settings to help the computer run smoothly. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.